If you encounter any issues using the QR code provided in your email, you can manually install your ProSim. After purchasing your ProSim, you'll receive an email with detailed installation instructions. Before proceeding with the installation, verify your phone is on the latest software version and Wi-Fi is enabled. To begin, open the Settings app on your Android and select Connections. Next, choose SIM Manager. Then tap Add eSIM. You will see an option at the bottom of your screen labeled Enter Activation Code. Selecting this will bring you to the next screen. The necessary information for manual installation can be found in my.phone.com. Click on My Settings. Press the arrow next to your ProSim status and select the manual installation option to generate the required details. Once the information is submitted, tap Done, and the activation will begin. Your device will check SIM information, and you'll be asked if you want to add the Phone.com ProSim. Tap Add. Please allow a few minutes for the process to complete. Once your setup is finished, a pop-up notification will appear on your screen. Thanks for watching, and enjoy seamless connectivity with Phone.com. Please watch our next video on how to configure your cellular number.